Today's weather is beautiful. I think my tree is broken its branch. Let's harvest. I have brinjal at there. Its weight is so the plant is mm, it is heavy. Now I cut this brinjal. Hmm. Bismillah. There it's brinjal. One is at there. So now I cut this brinjal also. I harvest two brinjal. Now take a look. Is there another brinjal at there? No. Today I go to cook those brinjal. Mhm. It is little one. I don't think so either. Have any other brinjal? I have only two brinjals from these plants. There are no more brinjals from there. Mm. So 2 days we have these harvest. That's it. And take care. Bye.